We've been on this beach about 4 days. Sun is just rising, birds are flocking, who knows where, and my urge to go is brewing after coffee. I do miss my toilet. At about 9, the guys are busy. This is Ibrahim, the fiberglass guy, and this is Arona's assistant, whose name I forgot, and Mamadou. You see how they're sanding my boat? By hand. And before that, they washed Galopin's belly by hand also, not with a power washer. Galopin was tickled.
Someone just came by and said, "Hey, your friend's dinghy's on the beach. Peter's dinghy's on the beach, and some dude's bringing it over now. He's just walking it over." Those guys like, "What? Did they steal it?" Like, "No, man. You got to tie it up right or something." And it ended up way over there on the beach. Here's the dude bringing it over, man. Too nice. Incredible.
Here's my dinghy's final resting place. For now. I gave it to someone so it may live again. I was off to the city to buy solar panels, and I decided to take the train rather than a taxi or a private car.
I just bumped into a cab driver that drove us around last couple days ago with Peter. Actually, it's Arona's uncle. He had a private car. And I'm like, I'm just gonna take the train. I think it's better. He goes, "Oh yeah, it's much more practical." I said, "I was thinking about taking you, but..." He's like, no, go, take the train. I don't want to get stuck in the city in the traffic. Okay, there's a train station right across this roundabout. I gotta make my way across there. It's gonna be an adventure, but let's do it. Look, traffic has stopped.
The train system is brand new. It cost about 70 cents to go to Dakar. There's a train every 10 minutes, and at this time, it's not crowded. Man, this train is as good as any Swiss train, minus the gloomy, pale passengers.
And it was a great ride, brand new trains, nice train station. Check this out, man. Africa's cool.
Here, taxi drivers take advantage of us, and the traffic sucks. I walked to the shop where I had bought batteries several months ago.
I found the place. It's down here in this electrical street. It's all electrical stores. And the place I'm going to is right there. And I found it all on my own. Take the train, walked here. Getting to know my way around Dakar now. It's pretty cool. Salam alaikum.
I got a good sense of direction, folks.
I think I'm going to wait on these solar panels and the whole installation. I'm no electrician. I don't want to guess at what exactly I need and set things up too fast.
Here, I'm in a confused state.
I think I might do this when I come back. Play it safe, do it with plenty of time rather than try to rush things. So yeah, I decided to wait. I think it's better that way. I don't want to rush into things. Rushing in sailboats, sailing, it's not a good thing. You don't rush things.
There's guys here who spot you out. I guess I stood out from the crowd. He wanted to sell me stuff, souvenirs and such. So I followed along, but was not sold. And after the ride back on the train, I was back at the yacht club for a quiet evening at home. It's the World Cup final, and once again the French are finalists, but against Argentina. And I had a feeling I'd see an old friend, cruising buddy, and fellow YouTuber. That's Tabasco Piero, who sailed here from Capo Verde today, just in time to see his team lose.
Well, France lost. Too bad. Had a bunch of African guys on there. Well, guess Messi deserved it. So be it.
our journey continues.
The yacht club is also a campground for travelers. And this is Chantal, who washed my clothes and is braiding her daughter's hair. These land cruisers were also getting mechanical help from Arona. It's kind of a pit stop here. Arona had something to show me, something me and Galopin really needed.
Ah ouais.
Okay, I'm sold. And remember I needed my roof dodgers stitched and reinforced?
This is Diego. He's the sail maker here. He works on sails, cushions, and my spray hood. He's just fixed up. Next time I come here, he's gonna fix up my sails. Merci Diego.
Merci.
Ça fait combien d'années que tu fais ça, ce
Ça
travail?
fait 26 ans.
Toujours au CVD?
Ouais, toujours au CVD.
It's been 26 years that he's been doing this.
Je suis allé dans les salons nautiques. J'ai fait Porte de Versailles, j'ai fait Grand Pavois, j'ai fait Ciotat.
Wow, ok.
Je suis allé à Rome, je suis allé en Espagne, j'ai fait Madrid, Malaga. Pour le pli, il faut toujours ouvrir les fermetures.
Ah, ok. He's been around. Diego has experience, man. He's been all over Europe and different boat shows and stuff. So I'm super pleased that he's done his work. And we'll see him when we come back. Merci, Diego. Thank you.
Ouais, merci.
Diego did a great job, man. My propeller shaft was bent, and Arona had gotten a new one made. Now was the moment of truth. Would it fit? I want to point out that Arona had to partially disassemble my rudder in order to get the shaft in and out, hence the hole in my rudder. Arona needed a bit of lube for his shaft, and as you can see, he gently slipped it into the spot. The man has experience.
Monté sur le catamaran qui est là-bas.
Ouais.
Je lui avais changé une arbre de lisse et j'ai acheté là où j'ai acheté celui-là. Mais ils m'ont refait les cônes, je suis venu monter et j'ai jamais eu de problème avec ça.
Ok.
Et peut-être lui, il a été plus minutieux pour regarder le bon code. C'est pour ça qu'il a trouvé que c'était légèrement un peu plus grand que la 30. Mais là, tu vois.
Look at that. Seems perfect. Later, he'll check the alignment with the engine. For now, there was something else pressing.
Arona's amazing, man. He's on top of everything. He's now working with the electrician because of my windlass.
Hello!
As you remember when we came here, it all of a sudden anchor just dropped. It just turned on and the switch for the anchor to go down just was stuck on. It just went barreling down into the water.
On trouve la solution.
The electrician's trying to fix it, but he's not quite sure what's going on, and Arona's right on top of it.
On est en train de résoudre le mystère.
Seeing him through, and he's just...
Pour le bateau de Alexis. Yes.
The man is a gift from God, if there is one. A God, that is. But he's definitely a gift from higher powers. The guy's friggin' amazing.
What can I say?
It's all good, man. Fantastic. Fantastic.
We're almost good to go now. was great to have you aboard on this voyage. If you enjoyed your trip, leave a like and subscribe. You'll help us navigate better. We promise you a good time every Wednesday, man. So welcome aboard.
No sé qué te gusta.